Very good morning, students. Today, at first, all most welcome in my video class. With the help of this video class, I have my best practice to give the proper understanding regarding the solution of questions. With the help of video class, I have our best try to give the proper understanding regarding the questions, solution of questions, just similar to offline classes. So today I am present here with your chapter height and distance, and I am ready to solve your questions belong to exercise 9.1 from NCERT book. Your question: a kite is flying at a height of 60 meters above the ground. A string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. Find the length of the string assuming that there is no slack in the string. My kids, according to this question, एक kite is flying, एक kite इस प्रकार से fly कर रहा है. Just like there is a kite flying over the ground in length of the, this is the part of the length of this which are using to fly this kite. AB, that is the height of the kite from the ground level. AC, that is the length of a string which we are using. Suppose this is the L, I mean this is the string, length of the string. बेटा ये जिस धागे के सहारे पतंग को उड़ाने का काम किया जा रहा है उसकी लंबाई AC है, और यहाँ पर काइट ग्राउंड लेवल से 60 मीटर की हाइट पे फ्लाई कर रहा है. इस प्रकार से स्ट्रिंग और ग्राउंड लेवल के साथ 60 डिग्री का एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन है. Then we have to find the height of the kite. This is your kite. So at first we write let AB, that is the height of the kite from the ground level of the kite, from the ground level, and that is given 60 meters. Also angle of elevation which are subtended along with ground level in the string, that is given ACB 60 degree, and length of the string which we are using to fly the kite, that is length of the string, and it is given, suppose we have to find this part. So suppose this is equal to L, we have to let this now. Now dear students, we must have at first confirm we have the relationship between this is the part of perpendicular and this is the part of hypotenuse. So in which ratio this relation we have to find? Sine, cos or tan. Perpendicular and hypotenuse, that is the part of sine. So we are using sine 60 degree, that is equal to AB by AC, P by H, in sin 60 degree, that is equal to their geometrical value is under root 3 by 2, equal to AB that is given 60 and AC that is the part of L. So on cross multiplication this will be under root 3L equal to 120, and so L will be equal to 120 by under root 3. Now do the rationalization. So under root 3 by under root 3. Then what will be, dear kids? Their numerator will be 120 under root 3. Wherever its denominator will be only 3. So 340 means this is 40 root 3. And hence we can write, hence the length of the string, the length of the string which is using to fly the kite equal to 40 root 3 meter. Kindly write down this. Once again I am repeating, my dear students, with the help of this diagram they are showing the flying of kite which is the 60 meter above the ground level, and for that we are using the length of a string that is L. The angle of elevation subtend between ground level and the string, this is 60 degree. We have to find what length of a string we are using for this purpose. हम इस काइट को फ्लाई करने के पर्पज से कितने लंबे स्ट्रिंग का इस्तेमाल किए इसे फाइंड करना था। इस प्रकार से हमने साइन 60 इस्तेमाल किया और फिर ज्योमेट्रिकल वैल्यू ऑफ 60 को पुट किया हमने। ऑन दिस वे वी आर एबल टू फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ द स्ट्रिंग। सो प्लीज राइट डाउन दिस पार्ट, and soon after my students I will solve your next question, that the question number 6. Your question number 6 is 1.5 meter tall boy standing at some distance from the 30 meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increased 30 to 60 degree as walk towards the building. Find the distance he walked towards the building. एक 1.5 मीटर टॉल बॉय है जो किसी बिल्डिंग के दूसरे अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में खड़ा है। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, our next question is that is a 1.5 meter tall boy standing the opposite side of it top of the building. देखिए बेटा क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, suppose this is your building, this is building, and its opposite direction, opposite side here, this is your 1.5 meter tall boy standing here. He observing the top of the building and find the angle is 30 degree. When this tall boy observing the top of the building, the angle of elevation that form on the eye of the boy that is 30 degree. This is 30 degree. Then after he walked toward the building. एक boy कुछ डिस्टेंस बिल्डिंग की ओर चलता है और चल करके फिर रुक जाता है। इस प्रकार से बॉय चला और सपोज यहाँ पे पहुंचा, यहाँ पहुंच के फिर वह रुक गया। दिस इज योर बिल्डिंग AB, दिस इज CD।
वो बच्चा खोज रहा है ऑफिस।
देन आफ्टर ये 1.5 मीटर ए सपोज y मीटर का डिस्टेंस इसने चला है और चलने के बाद पुनः वह बॉय इस बिल्डिंग के टॉप को देखता है और तब एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन बदल करके 60 डिग्री हो जाता है। अगर पूरे बिल्डिंग का हाइट, इफ हाइट ऑफ द बिल्डिंग दैट इज गिवन 30 मीटर, if height of the building is given 30 meter, then find the distance tap while he talk to change the angle of elevation। तो हमें फाइंड करना है कि एक कितने डिस्टेंस वॉक करने के बाद एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन में जो चेंजिंग आता है, इंक्रीज किया 30 to 60 डिग्री, वो कितने मीटर वॉक करने के बाद हुआ। वंस अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग दिस क्वेश्चन। ए बी, that is the part of building, height of the building 30 meter, in their opposite sides there is a 1.5 meter tall boy standing. She watching the top of the building and observing an angle of elevation 30 degree. Then after she walks towards the building some distance, stop there and again watch the top of the building, observe the top of the building, then their angle of elevation increase 30 to 60. So what distance walking and so angles of elevation has been changed, कितने डिस्टेंस तक वो चला कि एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन बदल गया। तो सी डी दैट इज द हाइट ऑफ बॉय, दिस इज ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ सपोज सी एंड डी डैश, बिकॉज दिस इज ऑल्सो द हाइट ऑफ द सेम बॉय, this part will be also same. Then what will be the height of this part? This is 1.5, I mean this part will be 1.5 also, this part will be 1.5 also. So what is the length of, here given mention the point E, what will be the height of this part AE? This part will be 30 minus, this is total AB 30 minus 1.5, so 30 minus 1.5 will be 28.5 from here to here. Now suppose write down please, let AB equal to height of the building, height of the building, height of the building and that is given 30, how much, 30 meter. CD, that is a height of that CD, and that is the height of the boy, a boy, height of a boy, height of the boy, and that is given 1.5 meter. Now CD that is parallel and equal to C dash D dash, parallel and equal to EB and equal to 1.5 meter. Therefore AE will be equal to AB minus EB, I mean 30 minus 1.5, so 28.5 meter. Now also now take in right triangle. Now in right triangle AEB, this is the distance of walking distance जो एंगल बदलने के लिए उस बॉय ने चला है। सपोज दिस इज द पार्ट ऑफ, सो दिस पार्ट विल बी ऑल्सो y and this, suppose this part is x. mean DD dash, D and D dash, that the walking distance of the boy, walking distance of the boy and this is equal to y. Also suppose BD, that is x, is supposing here. Now right triangle AEE. So what we are using, this part is 28.5 and this is x 10. We have relationship between perpendicular and base. So this will be 10 60 degree. That is P by B. I mean AE by E, AE by E, C dash. Geometrical value of sin 60 under root 3 equal to 28.5 divided by x. So within the cross multiplication, now this will be therefore x equal to 28.5 divided by under root 3. Suppose this is equation number first. Now take in right triangle AEC. Now in right triangle AE and C, again same relation, perpendicular and base we have in this triangle. So tan 30 degree equal to P by B, AE by EC. Tan 30 degree 1 by under root 3, 28.5 and EC x plus y, x plus y. So after cross multiplication this will be x plus y equal to 28.5. Now putting the value of x which already we have to get 28.5, or this will be 28.5 divided by under root 3 plus y equal to 28.5. Now please write down this part. I will erasing this part and soon after I will solve the remaining portion of this from here. So now we have erased this part. And now come here. So y will be equal to 28.5 minus 28.5 by under root 3. 28.5 LCM will be its, so LCM will be under root 3 means 28.5 root 3 minus 28.5. Now 28.5 taken as a common, 28.5 taken as a common, so will be under root 3 minus 1 by under root 3. Now you can put the value of this. So what will be this value now? Equal to 28.5 multiply 4 under root 3 we are taking 1.732 minus 1 by otherwise without putting the value you can find this value, but okay, 1.732. So this will be 28.5 multiply 0.732 by 1.732. So after reducing this part we can find this will be our final answer. Dear students, I would like to repeat once again, एक 30 मीटर टॉल बिल्डिंग के अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में एक 1.5 मीटर का टॉल वायर और वहाँ से वह बिल्डिंग के टॉप को ऑब्जर्व करता है। देन एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन 30 डिग्री का फॉर्मेशन होता है। वह वायर बिल्डिंग की ओर कुछ डिस्टेंस चला। एक वायर, दिस इज द बिल्डिंग, this is 1.5 meter wire. This wire observing from this point to top of this building and it find angle of elevation 30 degree. Then after you walk some distance to the towards the building. A wire building की तरफ कुछ distance चला, suppose y चला और आकर के यहाँ रुका और फिर इस जगह से इसके टॉप को देखता है तो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन 30 से इंक्रीज करके 60 डिग्री आ गया। बताना है कि ये वॉकिंग कितना हुआ, कितना दूर वॉक करने के बाद ये कितना दूर वॉक किया है कि ये इंक्रीज किया है एंगल 30 to 60। तो इस पार्ट ये वाई हो गया। देन इस पार्ट को फिर हम वाई एक्स सपोज कर लेते हैं। एक बार इस राइट ट्रायंगल में हम 10 30 अप्लाई करते हैं और एक्स को फाइंड आउट कर लेते हैं। फिर राइट ट्रायंगल ए ई सी में लेते हैं, इसमें 10 30 इक्वल टू अगेन पी बाई पी अर्थात 28.5 बाई एक्स प्लस वाई। इसमें एक्स की वैल्यू को रिप्लेस करते हैं और इस प्रकार से वाई निकल आता है। एंड दैट वाई दैट इज द रिक्वायर्ड पार्ट ऑफ द आंसर विच आस्क मी अ क्वेश्चन। सो ऑल माय स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप this video class must be give you proper help, but sincerely you must observe its every point. Sir, I hope certainly you will be benefited. And now at the last moment I congratulate, I most welcome to you all to watch this video, and I wish in this pandemic situation for a bright future. Thank you everyone and have a nice day. Thank you very so much.